Hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss about linear equations in one variable. Okay, in this linear equations in one variable is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus b is equals to c, where a, b, c are the real numbers, where a is not equal to 0. This linear equation in one variable are also called as first degree equations because exponent on the variable is 1. Okay, the exponent on the variable is 1. Here the variable is x. The exponent on the variable is 1. That's why these linear equations in one variable are also called as first degree equations. Okay, let us see an example. When 4 is added to a number gives 10. Find the number. Okay, you already know when 4 is added to a number gives a 10. Means 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. The answer is 6. But we have to write in the form of linear equations. Further, we have to write like this, where when 4 is added to a number, we don't know the number. We can write like a variable x. X plus, when 4 is added to this number, x plus 4 is equals to 10. Okay. If that problems can be written in the form of a simple equations. Such equations are called as linear equations in one variable. Here the variable is x. The degree of the variable exponent on the variable is 1. Such for that we are calling as a first degree equations. Okay, let us solve this problem. Okay, this is the left hand side LHS and this one is right hand side RHS. We are using transposing method in this. We have to transpose this plus 4 into right hand side. Transposing 4 to RHS right hand side. Then x is equals to 10 minus 4. Plus 4 will become minus 4 when it goes to a right hand side, where x is equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. The answer is 6. Let us see another example. 2x minus 7 is equals to 35. Means 2x is equals to, we have to transpose this 7 to right hand side. Minus 7 will becomes plus 7. 35 plus 7, 2x is equals to 35 plus 7 is 42 and x is equals to, transpose this 2 into RHS and it goes 42 divided by 2. X is equals to, answer is 21. Okay, these are the examples for linear equations in one variable. Okay, let us start the exercise. Exercise 2.1. Okay, first one is 6m is equals to 12, where m is equal to, transpose this 6 to right hand side, then it goes 12 divided, then it will becomes 12 divided by 6, where m is equals to 6 2s are 12, 2 times m is equals to 2. Second problem, 14p is equals to minus 42. Hence, p is equals to minus 42. Transpose this 14 into right hand side. It will becomes 42 divided by 14. P is equals to, into table 14, 7 times, 42, 21 times. In 7 table 42, 3 times. Then answer is minus 3. P is equals to minus 3. Third problem, minus 5y is equals to 30, where y is equals to 30. Transpose this 5 into right hand side, it will become 30 divided by minus 5. Y is equals to, it goes 6 times, minus 6 is the answer. Next Next, fourth one, minus 2x is equals to minus 12. Minus minus get cancelled off, where x is equals to 12, transpose this 2 into right hand side, then 12 divided by 2, x is equals to 6. Fifth one, 34x is equals to minus 51, where x is equals to minus 51 divided by 34. In 17 table, 34 goes 2 times and 51 goes 3 times, where x is equals to minus 3 by 2. N divided by 7 is equals to minus 3, where this transpose this 7 into right hand side, it will becomes n is equal to minus 3 into 7. Answer is minus 21. And next, seventh problem, where 2x divided by 3 is equals to 18. Transpose this 3 into right hand side, it will becomes 18 multiplied by 3, where x is equals to, transpose this 2 into right hand side, 18 into 3 divided by 2, x is equals to, goes 9 times, 9 into 3, 27 is your answer. Eighth problem, 3x plus 1 is equals to 16, where 3x is equals to, transpose this plus 1 into right hand side, where it goes minus, it will becomes minus 1, 16 minus 1 is equals to 15, where 3x is equals to 15 divided by 3, x is equals to 5. Next, ninth example, 3p minus 7 is equals to 0, where 3p is equal to minus 7 goes to right hand side, it becomes plus 7, p is equals to 7 divided by 3. 10th one, 13 minus 6n is equals to 7, means 13, when transpose this 7 into left hand side, it will becomes okay, we can write like this, 6n is equals to 13 minus 7. 6n is equals to 13 minus 7 is 6, where n is equal to 6 divided by 6, n is equals to 1. And next problem, 200y minus 51 is equals to 49, where 200y is equal to, when 51 goes moves to transpose to right hand side, it will become plus 51, minus 51 will becomes plus 51, 200y is equals to 49 plus 51 is 100, where y is equal to 100 divided by 200, then y is equals to 1 by 2. And next, 11n plus 1 is equals to 1. 11n is equals to 1 plus 1 goes to moves to right hand side, it will become minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 11n is equals to 0. 0 by anything is 0, where n is equals to 0. Seven x minus 9 is equals to 16, where 7x transpose this 9 into right hand side, the plus 9 will becomes minus 9 will becomes plus 9. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25, where x is equals to 25 divided by 7. Eight x plus 5 divided by 2 is equals to 13. We have to take LCM. 8 into 2, 16x, okay, you can write elaborately, 8x into 2 plus 5 divided by 2 is equals to 13. A2 16x plus 5 divided by 2 is equals to 13. 16x plus 5, where transpose this 2 onto right hand side, where 13 into 2, 16x plus 5 is equal to 13 2s are 26. 16x is equal to 26 minus, transpose this 5 into right hand side, it will become minus 5. 16x is equals to 26 minus 5 is 21, and transpose this 16 into right hand side, it will become 21 divided by 16 is your answer. And next problem, 4x minus 5 divided by 3 is equals to 9. Take LCM. 4x into 3 minus 5 divided by 3 is equals to 9. 4x into 3, 12x minus 5 divided by 3 into 9. 12x minus 5 is equals to, transpose this 3 into cross multiplication. 3 into 9 will becomes 27. 12x is equals to, transpose this 5 into right hand side, then it becomes 27 plus 5. 12x is equals to 27 plus 5 is 32, where x is equal to 32 divided by 12. In 2 table, 12 is 6 times, 32 is 16 times, again 2 table, 3 times 6, 16 is 8 times. Your answer is 8 by 3. Next, x plus 4 by 3 is equals to 3 1 by 2. Take LCM. 3x plus 4 is equals to 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, 3x plus 4, I have to cross multiply it. 3x plus 4, 2 into 3x plus 4 is equal to 7 into 3. 2 3s are 6x plus 4 2s are 8 is equals to 7 3s are 21. 6x is equals to 21 plus 8. When moves to right hand side, it will becomes minus 8. 6x is equal to 21 minus 8 is 13, where x is equals to, transpose this 6 into right hand side, it will becomes, undergoes to denominator. Your answer is x is equals to 13 divided by 6. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.